Electronic configuration, that is electronic configuration of element and the periodic table. First, you must know that cell orbital. Already we were discussed the cell. The cell means what? That is already you learned that is the electrons in atom is characterized by a set of 4 quantum numbers. That is the quantum numbers means what? Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number. Here the cell defines that principal quantum numbers, that n, the principal quantum number n. The principal quantum number n defines the main energy level is called known as cell. Then also studied that is filling of electrons in a different subshell, that is called orbital or referred to as a orbital. Filling of electron in a different subshell. So these are called the different orbitals means what? That is they have s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and the f orbital. The maximum of electrons in s orbital is 2 and the maximum of electron distribution is p orbital is 6 and the maximum of electron distribution is d orbital 10 and the f orbital, the maximum electron distribution is 14. Then the electronic configuration, there is an element location in the periodic table. This is S, P, D, F. They are the locating. That is the reflect the quantum number and last orbital is filled. That is the in this section we are going to discuss this about the electronic configuration of the period and the group. First we will discuss the electronic configuration in periods. Electronic configuration in period. First we are aware of that is Hoffa principle based on the energy level, that is filling of electrons in the energy level. First energy level is 1s, second energy level is 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, then 3d, 4s, then 4p, 4d, like this. The different energy levels are there. See, the periodic table is associated with the filling of the next principal energy level, that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so etc. like this. So it can be readily seen that the number of elements in each period, the twice the number of atoms, twice the number of atomic orbitals that is available in the energy level. So energy level that is being filled. So the first period, that is n is equal to 1. Suppose if you take the first period having hydrogen and helium element, the hydrogen, the s orbital already said maximum of electron is 2. So the first electron, the hydrogen atomic number is 1, so that they are 1 as 1. Then and helium atomic number is 2, so that the electronic configuration is 1 as 2. See, this means they are complete with K shell. The first cell is called, that is the first cell K is completed. So the second period, that is the second period, this is n is equal to 1, first period. Then second period n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 means what? That lithium, the atomic number is 3. So what is the electronic configuration means? 1s2, 2s1. Then the next energy level is what? 2s. So that the filling of electron to the next higher energy level. So that 1s2, 2s1. Then the next orbital, the next element is beryllium. The atomic number is 4. 1s2, 2s2. The electronic configuration like this. So that starting from the next element, that is boron, beryllium, next element is boron, the atomic number is 5. Here the p orbitals are involving, first p orbitals are involving. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, then 2p1. So first p orbitals are entering. That means 2p orbitals filled with electron when the L shell is completed at neon. That means K, the next cell is L. So this having the L shell electron, neon, the atomic number is 10. So L cell will be completed like this. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Here the p orbitals are completed with 6 electrons. So this means there are 8 elements in the second periods. That means there are 8 elements in the second period. The first period having only 2, the maximum of 2. The second period maximum of 8 electrons. Then the third period, that is n is equal to 3 means. The n is equal to 3 means that is the sodium. It begins with sodium. The atomic number is 11. So here the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s1. Here the 3s orbitals electrons are enter. The first 1s, 2s, 2p, then 3s. So 3s orbitals electrons are enter in when the n is equal to 3. The principal quantum number when n is equal to enter in 3 means that is starts with sodium. So period 3. So first element is sodium. The electronic configuration like this. So the 3s orbitals are involving here. That means K, L, M. The next cell is what? M cell. Starting the electron with M cell. Here argon is 18. The atomic number is 18. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6. Here the 2p6 sodium starts with sodium, end with argon, that is 18. That means the valence shell, the 3s orbitals are completed, 3s2 and 3p6. Then the next period is called n is equal to 4 means the fourth period, that is starts from potassium. When n is equal to 4, that is mean potassium. The period is potassium. The first element is potassium. The atomic number is 19. The electronic configuration like this. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. The 4s electrons are added. Here the 4s electron is 1. That means the 4s orbital. Now you may note that before the 4p orbitals, look at here, 3p, 4s, 3d, then 4p like this, 4p, 5s. Before the 3d orbitals becomes energetically favorable, and we come across the so-called is called 3d transition series. That means transition element. They are start with scandium. The atomic number is 21. Which the electronic configuration, that is the valence cell electronic configuration will be 3d1, 4s2. 3d1, 4s2. This is the valence electronic configuration or the outermost electronic configuration. Then end with what? This 3d series end with zinc. That is the atomic number is 30. The electronic configuration end with 3d10, 4s2. So this the fourth period ends up at the krypton with the filling of the 4p orbitals. Altogether we have 18 elements in the fourth period. So that is how the fifth period, like n is equal to 5. Fifth period n is equal to 5. So that begins with rubidium, is similar to the fourth period and contains the 4d series. This is 3D series, 4D series. Then similarly n is equal to 6. The sixth period contains 32 elements. 32 elements and successive electrons enter into the 6s orbital, 6s, 4f, 5d orbitals, and the 6p orbitals also. See, in order of filling of the 4f orbitals begins with, that is the cerium. Cerium, the atomic number 58. So ends with lutetium, that atomic number 70, that is Z is equal to 71. To gives, that is 4f orbital, that is 4f are inner transition elements, which is called lanthanoid series. The seventh period, that is n is equal to 7, the similar to the sixth period. So successive filling of the 7s, 5f, 6d and 7p orbital. So that is includes most of the man-made radioactive elements, which is called inner transition series, or actinoids elements. This is lanthanoid, the 4f element. This is the 5f element is inner transition series, but it is radioactive. Most of the elements are radioactive in nature. That is called actinoids. So this is 5f inner transition series. So these elements are placed in separately in the periodic table to maintain its structure and preserve the principles of the classification by keeping elements with similar properties in a single column. The next is group wise electronic configuration. The electronic configuration in group wise, the elements in the same, that is vertical column, that is called group. The group 1, group 2 up to group 18 elements are there in a periodic table. So they have a similar valence shell electronic configuration and the same number of electrons in outer orbitals and similar properties. For example, group 1 element, that is alkali metals. Alkali metals are called group 1. So the group 1 element, they have the valence electronic configuration end with ns1. For example, some we can write some like lithium. The atomic number is what? First element is hydrogen. The next element is lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. So the electronic configuration is simply we can write that helium and 2s1. Then or you can write this way also, 1s2, 2s1. Either you can follow this or this way. Then sodium atomic number is 11. The electronic configuration will be neon, then 3s1. Atomic number potassium, the atomic number is 19. So these are the group 1 elements. The electronic configuration will be argon 4s1. Then rubidium, the atomic number is 37. The electronic configuration will be krypton 5s1. Then cesium, the atomic number is 55 and the electronic configuration will be xenon 6s1. And like this, the group 1 elements like this. Then francium, atomic number is 87. electronic configuration like this 7s1. See, they are end with what? ns1 type. So 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1. These are called as valence electron. So the properties of the element that have periodic depends upon the atomic number and not on a relative atomic mass. So they are similar chemical properties. That's why placed like this. So these are called group wise electronic configuration. Then the electronic configuration of types of element, S block, P block, D block, F block, we will discuss later.